It's not, servant leadership is not people pleasing. So, yung service to others is not about doing everything for your team members, no? Including rescuing. Yung sinasalo natin, yung mga team members natin. Pag sinasalo mo yung team members mo all the time, hindi na servant leadership yon, that's weak leadership. You will be burned out, no? Empathy still requires holding people to commitment. Ang kasunod nun is, pero I hope na naintindihan mo rin na kailangan mong, you need to exert an effort to meet those expectations kasi pag hindi mo ginawa na maayos yan, lalong dadami yung problema. No? So, ano bang pwede kong maitulong sa'yo? Ano bang kailangan nating magawa para maka-catch up ka doon sa mga expectations, di ba? So, that's accountability. It's not, servant leadership is not people pleasing. The goal is people's growth, not making everyone happy or satisfied, di ba? Because sometimes, ito, na-experience ko to, sometimes in the effort to grow people, you make people unhappy. Lalo na yung mga taong ayaw mag-grow. Na po, nakukulitan sa'yo.